Hi everybody, and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where something terrible has happened. Unfortunately, guys, as you can see right now, our money is going way down. And so to solve this, we are going to go to year 15, have all the animals who are pregnant have babies. And then once they have their babies, I've already put the animals on contraception so that they can't actually have more babies, and that's so that we can move all of the animals who are currently here all the way to a new zoo so that we can start again with more money. And so no one can get pregnant, they can just have babies. And actually, I'm going to speed this up all the way to 3. Not what I meant to do. Okay. Okay, that's clearly not working. So, here we go. If we get more money, we'll stay. If we don't, then we'll end up going, guys. I really hope our Timberwolves don't die. And actually, to stop that, that's Branch. That's Root. Okay, we are actually going to put Root in the Animal Trade Center. So Root now won't be able to die of old age because he's paused. And we're going to continue because they're the elders. So we just have to wait. So yeah. See, and as you can see, Ember is on contraception right now. So yeah, guys, it's year 15 now. Her babies are due in May. So that'll be soon, and we can turn that down a little bit now. Actually, we're gonna keep it until it gets to May. Also, seems we have a gift. And actually, our money is going up, so we might be able to stay here. And I don't want her to lose, like... Yep, so that's February. Then there's March. I don't want to waste time and have, you know, Root get too old, you know? So that's why he's currently there in the trading center. Our animals are fine. Keeper's coming. March, now it's April. And once it gets towards the end of April, we're actually going to stop briefly. Vet research is complete. And yeah, guys, I really didn't want to have to do this. Okay. I didn't want to do that, but that's okay. Okay, so Petal's having her offspring soon. And, alright, so this will probably be Petal's final litter before, yes, she's an elder and she's going to die. But I just hope she can make it to our new zoo, if we're going there. Okay, I think. Are you going to? She's going to have her babies, and Yeah, I don't think Root will be able to make it in time to see his babies. Okay, there's one. Is that it? Bennu. Ah, that's it. Is it? Yep, Bennu is our little girl. And yeah, guys, if you see money, I don't think, as you can see, our profit has actually gone down this year. But I don't know, guys. We can't really do anything in this zoo, so we're going to pause and send everyone to the, well, let's see. We still have 2 pregnant animals. We have, okay, but let's see. I'm definitely going to send, not Branch, going to send Heddle because it will save moments of her life. And now, I'm sorry, Bennu. Yeah. Her parents are not in the zoo right now. And hold on a sec, guys. There we go. And let's see. When are the polar bear's baby due? So that's in November. Is when that's due. And I think it's one of the reindeer here. Not Leppa, not Marja. Here, let's just look at his mates. I thought one of them was pregnant. Did we have a baby? 0.5 years. Thomas and March. We have 2 babies. Okay, let's look here at her timeline. So she just gave birth, but that's, all of them have given birth recently. I thought one of them was pregnant, but it could be our doll sheep. Yes, okay, so in November is where we need to go to. So that is a couple of months. We'll see where money goes from there. But I really just think we're in too deep of a pit to stay at this zoo. We really are. It's just, I don't know how we can recover. We start with fresh new money. I'd like to hope that we can keep doing this, but we might not be able to. Because, see, money drops drastically at times. And yeah, so it's September. We'll wait till it's close to the end of October. I feel really bad doing this. I mean, it might be recoverable, but we really can't do anything. So it's October. And let's see. Okay, I'm going to stop it. How's our little baby doing? Okay, so she's only 0.1. And Ember's getting older, and I don't want her, like, not to be able to be Branch's mate. That's not Branch. Alright. Here's Branch. Oh no, that's Ember. Where's Branch? So she's actually, okay, so good. She was able to become mates with Branch, which is good. Okay, good. So Snowball's about to have ice, not Ice Spring. I said ice because they're in ice. I really hope we can get enough money to continue. And you know, I think 20,000 would be a good number. Alright, you gonna have your babies? Okay, it doesn't even say that. Okay, now it says that they're imminent. I think she's gonna have them. I really hope it's more than one. Snowball, maybe. I think she's laying down. Oh, there. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Is it just one? No, it's just one. Okay, and this is Yotimo. Look at this. He's literally just a chunky ball of fur. He's so cute. Okay, so now all we need is... Okay, Waynette just had offspring. And look at this. This is Noah. So guys, I think... I don't know. I think we can always move them back into this zoo. So, I'm going to pause and I'm going to send everyone to the trade center, create a new zoo, and then we'll start from there. Yeah, so this zoo was really fun, and we know the exact mistake that we made, which was going too bold too quickly. So guys, this isn't an end for any of our animals. Like, nothing's terrible going to happen to them. It's just, you know, we're going to a new zoo, and we've worked so hard on this one. But that's okay, guys, because we have to adapt, and that's better than me just sitting here. So, yeah, I'll be back to you guys once I do that. Guys, I have good news. As you can see, we aren't in a new zoo. We are in the same exact zoo. But, if you look down here, we have almost 20,000. And I think the only reason we're able to do that is because I slowly got less animals in here. And why are there balloons floating? That's not good for the environment. And you know, I just felt really sad leaving this zoo. So, we are going to stick with it for now. We're going to add our polar bears back. So that would be Icicle, Snowball, and Yotimo. Going to send them to zoo. And there we go. Our polar bears are going. And so it wasn't meant to be like sad. But for me, you know, I was kind of like, oh, I'm just so sad. And we have been earning cash. What's wrong with our staff? So, yeah, we almost have 20,000. And I think we can do this, guys. I think we've recovered. We have 20,000. We're still paying off our loan. But that's okay because we can repay it. I really didn't want to leave this zoo, so we're staying. We've recovered by slowly removing animals, I guess. And so they're bringing the polar bears. And here, whoa. Okay, so guys, that's okay. That's unfortunate, and I guess I'll save it so that we don't lose any progress. And I'll be back to you guys once this is fixed. We've had a lot of errors, so I'm sorry. And guys, here we are back with all of our polar bears coming. So we probably won't, and jeez, he's massive. We probably won't, they're underpriced. Nice, nice, nice. We probably won't be playing for too much longer because we've had a lot of stops and just issues overall. Some of which are my fault because are they still underpriced? I don't think so. Which are my fault because, you know, there was that big debate on whether... Alright. Oh, that's me. I'm at the zoo. Cool. And hello, Ryut Raptor? On this big debate about whether we should switch zoos, but I think we've recovered enough-ish. Last year, we gained a lot of money, as you can see, and I think if we recover slowly, that would be nice. So right now, polar bears are the only attraction. I'm nervous about putting our wolves in because a lot of them are elderly, and let me just check really quickly. I kind of want to stop animals from dying right now. Animal settings, there we go. So that's all you can do. I have it all the way up so that they age as slow as possible. But unfortunately, that's the way it is. So I'm nervous about putting them in. And yeah, so we're getting money back slowly but surely. Polar bears should be the most popular right now. And yeah, guys, so I think, where's our baby polar bear? Where is your child? Uh-oh. It reset. Okay. It reset the mates, which I'm not happy about. Also, she's becoming an elder soon? What? She's already... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to check when polar bears die. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. Also, she won't be able to have babies soon. Life expectancy, 35 years. Snowball. Ah! I don't want the polar bears in here either anymore. Oh, Snowball. Once she becomes elderly. The second she becomes elderly. Ah! Okay. 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 Here's Marja. Okay, let's see. We have Marja, Thomas. Let's see. We need... Here's Perita. Auntie. Let's see. Here's Lepa. Lepa, there you go. Here is Brigitta. And And we should have more babies. There's Auntie, Peretta. All three of them have had babies, though. Oh, here, Estery. Yeah, because... Okay, there we go. We're going to send all 7 of them to the zoo. And there we go. And, we'll put our polar bears, off of contraception. I think Snowball is... Oh, no, she's not. Okay. Oh, Snowball. She's getting elderly. Wait. Life expectancy is 30 years, so she only has, like, 2 years left. Snowball! Oh, no, it said 35 years. We're okay. This thing that keeps trying to pop up on the side is very annoying. And then here's... Is this what it was trying to tell us? Oh my goodness, there is a high amount of litter. Okay, this calls for facilities and some trash cans. Where are those? Bins, benches, and security. There we go. Let's get... Throw away your trash. Okay, that should help. And they're coming with all of the reindeer. So yeah, guys, look how much money we have. And I think the key was not to have... Oh. Whoops. Why did the forest pack get those? There's no one in here. Multiple overflowing bins. Okay, so where? Okay, so it shows us the overflowing bins. Okay, we need. Okay, here we go. Staff. We need a caretaker. Because how's our current one doing? Okay, yeah, we only have 2. We need 3. Okay, so yeah, guys. I'm super glad that we decided, you know, not to move on from the zoo because we're actually doing really well now. We have money. We're just going to take our time with that. And look at Snowball over there. Unfortunately, it reset their mates because we put them in there, so I think... Is this Thomas? No, that's Lipa. Marja. Yeah, and see, it reset the mates and everything. So, that's unfortunate, but it's okay, guys, because, you know, we just had to start slow again, and it's fine. And we also got a chunky polar bear. A chunky little cub. Look at him. He's so just fluffy. So please like and subscribe if you can. And join us as we continue rebuilding our zoo from, you know, the deep pit that it was in. Nature Wolf out.